Me I wonder why people even try size up some other artists with Vybz Cartel. Not even Alkaline or Masicka on the mustn't try size up as talented as these artists is.
A few moments later.
Credit an artist like Vybz Cartel. The man's a great artist. The man put in the work. Some man wanna try skip the work and want to be great. That blood clot not gonna work. As tough as Alkaline is, finish putting in the work.
You did who? All of them are call up me name forget the eye. Me not give them no eye. They're going dead for hungry.
May I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox. Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
Boy, Jano, I tell you about them Gaza money. People, you see the bag of hype and the bag of chatting? Me I tell you this. You see them money, them not love dancehall music. A man them love. And the whole video yeah, I will expose everything say a man them love. Cause the way them talk about the music and talk about man, trust me, brother, them man yeah, them have a backbone dog. And him have a habit. See? But the way him talk, me know why him do it. In a most of them video them, him have cartel behind him. I don't know why. But I guess him feel comfortable with that. You understand? But listen what I say, people.
Another episode. The episode yeah, is about something we notice in a dancer. People, tell me for me. Tell me if I'm me Nancy right or me right. Now, ever since Vybz Cartel forward from jail, you see no new artists bust out.
Why for that, bro? What want to them Gaza money people? What you mean by if new artists bust out? Dog. You know, dog. Bro, I don't know what I'm going to do now, dog. Trust me.
Here, when still I hear from the young artists them, with the exception of Skipper and Haitian. And that, not even bad artists Roger Wild me can't hear from. Me can't hear from tough artists, Craft. The other day, we artists in here drop one song. But me can't hear nothing from the artists them. They now drop no song, and when they drop the song now go nowhere.
Brother, you just said the artist them now drop no song, but when them drop the song now go nowhere. Bro, from Cartel come from prison, brother. Uno bring a watch man, bro. A man who no love dog. You understand? It evidently show. Because these were the same artists who I listen to every day. Cartel come out, uno say, yo, we artists them now drop no song, this and that. When the artists them been a drop song. But because you know eyes dep on one man, that's the problem. With Uno, bro. Uno no love the music, dog. You see it? Uno no love the music. There's no way you can have a whole genre, a artist, and you are gonna say the whole of the young youth them now drop nothing, the youth them now do this. Bro, it should say a man ya pre. You only look where one man do, brother. And that's your problem. When Cartel they are prison, don't you da listen to youth them? Cartel come out now with the little controversy and the little hype now. Una say yo the young artists them now drop nothing, them now do this. Bro, no move from here, some man.
But say before Vybz Cartel reach a road, you know, and the young artists them are run off the thing, you know. Truth. Young artists are Afro beat. And that run off the thing before Vybz Cartel forward a road. Tell me if I say right, people. I'm wrong. Make me know. Drop the comment in the comment section. I'm not afraid to drop the comment. Make me know if I'm right or I'm wrong. If you not see same thing too. So now that me say that, me I wonder why people even try to size up some other artists with Vybz Cartel. Not even Alkaline or Masicka mustn't try size up as talented as these artists is.
Brother, who I don't know. Who size up nobody with Cartel? Uno size up the art Cartel with the artists them, brother. Uno, because when Cartel they are prison, Uno never did that do that, dog. Because I couldn't see him. Now I see him. Every artist, when the artists them do them thing, Uno try to say, yo, him can't do a Cartel do. This Uno size up Cartel with the whole dancehall. Even the little young generation, the artists them a boss with you. What not do now? Now you yourself and Cartel come out, the young generation them. We are a size Cartel with the young generation them. Now that you do. Eh? Uno size up Cartel with Sean Paul, Shaggy, everybody. I want to bring down the whole of them. Beanie Man, the whole of them, Bounty, the whole of them. So, I don't understand that, dog.
No Mavana, no Beanie Man, no Bounty Killer, cause guess what? Before Vybz Cartel touch the road, them have all of the chance. If you run off a thing like how Vybz Cartel run off a thing. When Vybz Cartel in a road, whole heap of artists. Me see forward out and I do them thing. Trap music, take over dancehall. Me a promoter, me a party man. Me go a party, before Vybz Cartel forward out, I be trap music near here. Two.
Brother, so trap music. So wait there. The rhythm where Cartel depend the why something rhythm. What that? What kind of rhythm that? Eh? What kind of rhythm that, dog? The song going on I with the SYM. What kind of rhythm that? Me not understand that, bro. At the end of the day, bro, Cartel, I ride the young youth them wave right now. You see me? A young producer beat that, brother. You understand? Some don't know where you talk about, dog. Right now, if Cartel never did go up on the rhythm, the brother, the talk wouldn't do it right now. Movado, same thing, bro. The rhythm hot, the man them do them have to do nothing wrong. But we not compare hype with music, bro. Like, brother, the controversy with Cartel thing, brother, that do not pre if you say, yo, dance all this, that. Bro, stop it, dog. We not no sense, brother. We not run with a bag of hype and bag of internet thing. You see it?
That's truth. Yeah, man, me in the streets. So me not talk just for talk. Me talk from facts when me see. Me party everywhere. Whole heap of these parishes my party, you know. Kingston, Mandeville, whole heap of parish. You see me? Since Vybz Cartel touch the road, the artists them like them cool up. Tell me if you right, people. Tell me if you right, time around. Don't afraid to tell me. Cause me I wonder if me I see right. But
No, you're not see right. You're blind. You come like say, yeah, he's a blind man and the only person you can see. If you see in a real life, a cartel. Every other else thing, you're blind. And that with you, bro. That's why I not talk about the youth them not drop no song. The youth them a drop song, brother. But you not look on controversy. And that you not look on controversy and hype you not run with. You not run with music, dog. And that's the problem. So that's why I not see the youth them, because the youth them just do them have to put in the work. The youth them now run down the controversy and all of them thing there. You see it?
from me I see since the man touch road, me can't hear nothing from the young artists them. And nothing from a whole heap of artists, I'm not talking. I'm like the artists them afraid. Or them cool up. Or them start doubt themselves. Now hear no bad song. And when I time, even me myself, I be a craft and Raja while me I listen to. King and them man there. Big up talented artists. Where the other one name? Talented artists. Where name again? Artists like them artists. Even Skilly Bang. Who else me I listen to before Vybz Cartel? I was listening to Vybz Cartel same way, but I was listening to these artists also, because they might drop some tough song. Now then can't find no song, with the exception of Chronic Law. Can't find no song. Intense, tough artists in my book. Nobody can't. Intense is a tough artist. Them artists that me I listen to, because them just stop, drop the hits. No, me can't hear nothing from the artists there. Alkaline a drop a bad song since Boss Fear Boss. But now stop saying them song the way they been dropping lately are regular. I don't want to try size up artists like these artists with Vybz Cartel, the king, the goat, off dancehall. Eh? And none of you never that do what this man a do when this man in a jail. Wanna make the young artists them take over. I mean I talk to every veteran artist, the Beanie, the Bounty, the Mavado, whole on on the road. And they never run the thing. The man.
So you want the man them for size up themselves with the young youth them. That you want. But you cartel in the controversy and the one bag of thing now. And I do them for do. You are say the man them and make the young youth them. Bro, the man them do them for do years ago, brother. You understand? A new generation now, dog. Wanna talk with cartel, brother, internet hype and them little thing there, bro. At that, you feel like say this saw some dancer sensation. Brother, remember say I know not really I talk about cartel with music, bro. All last year on a show I talk about, all when cartel drop thousands of songs, drop album. Me never hear not talk about that, fam. A shows not talk about, People I kinda realize when it come to Vybz Cartel, right? You see whatever Ima, like, what do you call it? Ima training or what Ima do, if create something, that them run with. So last year cartel about maybe like 27 or 28 shows. I show them I talk about. Yo, who can pull crowd? Yo, who cast this? Yo, this and that. Them the cartel a drop music, Them never type it up. They never talk about it, nothing, right? This year now, cartel start drop some song. See, cartel a drop from January, But here when the music thing come in, when DJ Mac rhythm start get hot, and Anthony B jump on the rhythm, a lot of artists, then cartel forward on the rhythm, and the whole everybody attack. Yo, what is this and that? Because the rhythm hot. Remember, I'm been a drop song, but at the rhythm now and then move out of forward on the rhythm. A bag of thing. Seeing? You notice, they not talk about no show again. Cause true him not have the capacity of show. Mean the amount of show him have last year, him not have it. But true him a dominate. Anything him a dominate in a last year him a dominate in a shows and talk about it, them hype it up. But them never, he never dominate in a the song them, you know. Last year, you know. Seeing them not talk about it. This year now, him a do a little thing around with the hype, with the song them and the controversy and the radiation, the SYM, all of them little thing there. You know the controversy, yo, Alkaline I get this year money I get this, the controversy. Seeing? While the music there. So I saw them do it. Maybe next year, you them a talk about rum. Or maybe next year, you them a talk about Grammy. I saw them anything where Cartel are dominating. I eat them use to put leverage over the local youths them. You understand? So them same one, I say, yo, people are size up Cartel when them a try compete with the youth them from Cartel forward out. You hear them no? Yo, where the young youths them there? From Cartel come out, the man them silent. Then no uno size up Cartel with the youth them then. Why no could just say, yo, Ray, Cartel are doing thing. What Cartel have to do with the youths them? Bro, now one run with that bag of internet thing. And that's the problem, bro. Uno focus on man too much. You see it? And no music. That's why I not see the young youths them. The youths them been a put in them work. But because the controversy and the hype now with the giants them now, uno run with that. But the youths them still a drop them song. You understand? And that's the problem.
Forward, back, block a road, and dominating the space. Dominating dancehall. Eh? And then Mrs. Amount of artists want to hate pan man. Bad mind, no bad mind, man. No need to start congratulate this artist, giving this artist in flowers.
Brother, man no give man flowers, brother. If you want your Cartel flower, give him. Let me tell you, bro, you better just take off the glasses there. Promote a ganja, take off your glasses. Cause I come like say, I want AI glasses you have on, and only somebody else see a Cartel. Take it off, dog. Maybe we see others artists them.
See me, people. I'll foot a hype. Every chance in getting try discredit Vybz Cartel. I'll know no say it not working. Vybz Cartel so far ahead, it don't make no sense. None of them try to tear him down. Honestly speaking. Real or real. Right or right, wrong or wrong. But you know, anyway, not for straight on the point. But tell me if me I say right, people. When was the last time when you hear from any artist I drop nothing since Vybz Cartel fatherhood? With the exception the artist, Skipper. We find one nice song on the WYFL rhythm. And I think him find a couple more. Tell me if me right or me wrong, cause me I wonder. And then it don't make no sense. It don't make no sense. It not add up for you know try size up some artists with these artists. Me sit down to all bounty killer when me rate and respect so much. Like him don't know what he do with himself. Since Vybz Cartel fatherhood. Being a man.
Yo, people. Yo, this coming like a theme now, dog. 13 years in a prison. I'm from Cartel forward in a road and 30. Bro, the man them can use, bro, a bagas. Bro, with him get them something, brother. I ain't a dancer alone, I see them thing going, you know. This 13 years in a prison and Cartel forward a road. Bro, so my time I for just laugh, brother. Them man, yeah, them sick, dog. I tell you, them sick.
The same. Being the man, the same. Eh? I don't know what discredit this artist. This artist named Vybz Cartel is the GOAT, the greatest artist that ever touched dancehall. Matter of fact, damn near in the whole entire artist world. He's one of the greatest. Inspire so many, influence so many. I'm not trying to size up this artist with certain artists. You know if you stop it, man. You know if you stop it. Now, explain to me. Near all I hear one little man talk about Popcorn, Richard and Vybz Cartel, Mavado, Richard and Vybz Cartel. Man, go sit down, man. Cause you just talk for talk. You talk for clout. It's a clout chaser. Cause me know you know better. Vybz Cartel, one of Vybz Cartel show. One I show. It's over 1 million US. You know how long an artist take to get 1 million US dollar? These artists see much to get talk about. Popcorn and Mavado and some other artists. It probably take them damn near a year to get 1 million US dollar.
But Cartel, if it take 13 years in a prison, forget it though. Just remember that because Cartel never get no 1 million US before him go prison. The last amount me hear a $1 million US when he go up and sting. $1 million Jamaican when he go up and sting. Cartel never collect that. So, he make a sacrifice where whatever happen, when do, and he end up a prison. Make him can charge you 1 million. Remember, you know, man never go to these places, bro. You understand? When you keep on a size up with Cartel I get with the other artists, them, brother. And there's a reason make Cartel I get that, bro. Or why him can get that. Last year, the man do must say 20 odd show. You feel like him can come to 20 odd show this year? When you sick in on the head, you know, bro. More while not talk and not think, you know. You see me? More when you talk and not know what go on, bro. You see it? Because, bro, a man just forward out. The man couldn't go nowhere. So what do you expect? Eh? Move out of popcorn, all of the artists, them go other places and make money 13 years. All of them look a thing, the dog. We don't keep on a size up with Cartel I get with the others, man, them. Eh? We just watch man pocket and them look a thing there, bro. You see it?
And a 1 year close to it. Because them have to do shows after shows after shows. Because I remember some music now sell like that, you know. Merch, yeah, they might can make some of a merch endorsement. But if we are talking about show, we are going to send them and get maybe 100, 150 per show. How much time 100,000 can go in a 1 million? Not 10 times. And this money I do that. I get 10 times. Close to 10 times. Any big artist in a one show. Remember 1 point something, you know, 1.5, you know. I know I keep trying to size up this art.
You know, go and talk about 1.5, yeah? You don't know what's forwarding. That's all I have to tell you.
This with no need to stop it, man. No really need to forward out on the feelings and look upon the situation, the facts of the situation, not the feelings.
Brother, you in your feelings, you know, because you're not talking no facts, brother. You're not talking no facts, yes, brother. You see me? And you in your feelings. Because you in your feelings. You see one as the people that size up artists with Cartel when you are size up Cartel with the artists them. It not make no sense. You bring up both Cartel and Movado and money and who get shows and this and that. And you do that, bro. Nobody now do that. You see me?
It's no bad mind. Or don't be biased. Then if you be real, because you not be real to yourself when you try size up and try discredit an artist like Vybz Cartel. The man's a great artist. The man put in the work. Someone want to try skip the work and want to be great. That blood clot now go work.
But people, them man, sometimes them man attack, you know. Brother, so wait, a Cartel alone put in work in a dancer? More no. A Cartel alone a release music in a dancer? Like, you just have the artist and them not release no music? I don't understand this. Bounty and Beanie, them never put in the work all over the years. Buju never put in the work. Alkaline, Masicka, all of them artists there. Movado, Busy Signal, them never da put in no work. Not because Cartel have a bag of song, bro, means that the artists them never put in no work. Cause you feel like say a Cartel alone build dancehall in a brother. You make a sad mistake, you. I tell you that. No one man can build a genre, bro. A una alone me ear talks, so dog. In a different genre. Me nah hear Afrobeat them a say them thing. Me nah hear in a hip hop them a say them thing, bro. You just surround the mindset around one person and feel like say I saw it go. You think one man can represent dancehall? If Cartel have one show over this, so one to the other rest of part of the world, what would they represent? And most other artists them. Bro, a 2 year now Cartel fall from prison, brother. 2 year now. And I keep on say the same thing, fall from prison, this, that. And all you not talk is just a bag of hype. If I know host thing, he might buy car, Rose, Rice, Matt, Lauren, all of them look a thing they wanna bring up. Them they not nothing to do with dancehall, brother. Cartel get some real money. Like some real money in a them time, yeah. In a large sum. Based on shows. And start enjoying local life and buy away if you buy up. You not use that against artists them in a dancehall. Bro, now madness, bro. At the end of the day, a music, a dancehall make him have what him have right now. You see it? See him like the other artists them. Him could have buy 100 car, 100 Rose Rice. At the end of the day, him a buy it. A fee life that. Nah, nothing to do with the rest of the artists them.
As tough as Alkaline is, finish putting in the work. As tough as masicka is, finish putting in the work. You need to stop it, man. Give the man him flowers, man. Don't play a hate. Congratulate. Yeah, man. I mean, I talk because of the truth. But it just puzzle me. Do you see some people I try discredit the artist, I try badmind the artist, I try talk down on this artist when this man done so much for dancehall. One Vybz Cartel, one king.
Come out of your feelings, dog. Come out of your feelings, brother. You're going like say a cartel alone don't know for dancehall. Brother, no move from yourself, bro. Say if I wanna alone, brother, dancehall dead. Me I telling you that. Dancehall dead. Can you feel like say you think the cartel alone can manage to carry dancehall to the world? You think one music people listen to out there in the world? Eh? You're sick in your head, bro. Yeah, every day you get up about people are bad mind artists. Two people attack facts. Bad mind what? I want to know that. Brother, sometimes we come out on the feelings, brother. That's enough to do, bro. You see it? Because you what about a young artist them. You not always call out the young artists them, bro. And I try compare them with Cartel, brother. I dance all alone, me see this. The little artists them where they over hip hop and thing, me nah see them call them up with Jay-Z and every D and all of them little thing there, dog. From Cartel Father Road, as Cartel found out, the man them start. Cartel found out, you would say July the 31st. See? By the man drop the first song, come it aim on them, bombard. Yo, where artists them there? The young artists them silent. Them time they before Cartel come out, the man them listen to you them song, you know. As Cartel come out now, because you know the hype and controversy now. The man them start to yo where the artists them there. Bro, a man in love watch, dog. And that's why you not see the youths them put in the work. Cause you Cartel in the game for so much years now. And you gotta tell the man them say, yo, put in more work. Brother, the man them young. And the man them put in them work, brother. I want to stop size up Cartel with the young artists them. You see me? Cartel I do way mad, brother. You see it? That's all me have to say. But people, you know them man stay already. You see it? Yeah. That is it.